are going to cover our assignment task 6.1p, which is based on the building a Jenkins continuous delivery pipeline. So as we can see that we are using the software Jenkins to complete this task, and first we create our account which is on my own name, and we can see that the project name is for the CD pipeline past task. So without wasting the time, let's go for the code, that's what we write and what is this, what it meant to be. And we select the pipeline and it will show the pipeline script, which is basically works like because this code is called a Jenkins file, and it tells Jenkins like what to do step by step in a proper manner. It tells Jenkins how to run the job step by step. As we can see the word pipeline, which is the main wrapper which hold the everything inside it. And inside it there is an agent any, which is meant to be to run on any worker machine. And there is an option timestamp which we use, which makes sure each log line show the time properly. Then there is the environment which show the directory paths, testing the environment and a production environment in which we set some variables which can be used later like a directory path for a code, testing environment and a production environment like which is my own name. And after that we can see like there is a several stages, and because these stages were the are the place where the real work happen. Build stages just print the message about fetching and compiling the code. And as we can see in the test part, it will test the code and how it works, and then it will go for the code quality that is it okay to or not. Then it will deploy, and after the deploying that, it will take the approval time, which we set for the sleep time for the 10 seconds. And as it took the 10 seconds, then like it will someone is checking like a manually, and last deploy to production stage print, that is deploying to production using my name. At the end there is a post always, like we can see, and it like part the print pipeline finished no matter what. Overall this script is like a recipe that automate build, test and deploy steps in Jenkins. As we can as first we and after doing this that we save the code, and then we go for the build now. So like it will take some of the seconds. However, like so we will wait for that. And so like it's done the it will take the complete the time, and when we select that, and it will show that the code is run, and there's a run spend time what it was for the build duration and the schedule completion. And there's a output so that we can show the information regarding that. And as we can show the console output, like we can see the easily that it will show my that the started by the user which is my name, and will show that how it works. And as we can see the timestamp as well, it will print the echo, so it will show the environment variables properly and how it works. And it will checking the quality of the code integration. And after deploying, as we can say that we also discussed before, like it will take the 10 seconds for the approval, and once it's approved it will deploying for the code, it will deploy the code for the production environment, which also shows my name. And in the final it will show that it is successed properly. And if we talk about it how much time it will take and regarding something, so like we can there's options like timings. Like in a timings it will show that how the primary task will took the time, and also include the subtasks as well. And if we also talk about the pipeline overview, the holy overview for the how all the steps are done and everything, then it will show us like all the steps that it will pass through the all of these steps, and it will run. And we can see that the build how much time it takes, the 60 milliseconds like test. And as we can say that the approval takes 10 seconds and everything. And basically it's work like that. And I hope that is it very helpful for me, and thank you so much for that. And in the end, like this show that how Jenkins can help to build, test and deploy automatic without doing manual again and again, and how we can show the codes. And I run the pipeline, it go one by one and it show all the echo messages in the final, then finish success. I hope you understand and enjoy. Thank you so much.